Welcome to Haugen Racing, ladies and gentlemen. I am so stoked today. This vlog is Fuel Fest, as you guys saw from the thumbnail and the title, obviously. We ran out the S13, the R34, the Z. We got Aaron's Miata. We got Jacob's Veloster.
My car's actually in something for once.
I am so pumped up. We're gonna do ride-alongs all day, getting a bunch of fun-ass drifting. Let's freaking do this.
Deep in this mother.
All right.
We're finally set up. Good God.
Apparently the track is still kind of cold because there hasn't been that many drift laps done on it. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna go take this out, do a couple of laps, and then we're gonna start doing ride-alongs. That's what I'm here for. Hey. Hit that subscribe button, and also you can come get a ride along with us. We do drift in real life. Just tossing it out there.
So many bald eagles, bro. Because we haven't gotten much filming back here. This dude, what's your name, man?
My name's Brendan, man.
Dude, this guy has been changing tires for us, like, literally all day.
Hey, there's proof, man.
Just got a ride along?
Yeah.
How did you like it?
It was freaking awesome, man. That car is such an absolute beast. It floats through the corners. You can't even tell. I mean, when he goes through a transition, it just floats. It's freaking awesome, bro.
Sick, man. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, I don't know about you, but I'm already exhausted.
Dude, I am not. I am pumped up.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Dude, Today's been so sick. I got like about 6 laps in the R34, and I just want to tell, because like honestly, my sim drifting fam, like you guys have literally become a family to me. Dude, sim drifting has absolutely transformed my driving, like 1000%. I've never driven the R34 like this. Yeah. And like the back corner, dude, I got it like max angle. I was like left foot braking a little bit. I was like trying to snipe some of the outer cones, like hit a couple of them. It's like, dude, sim drifting, absolute game changer. Keep sim drifting, whether you get in a real car or not, you can shred. It's proof right here.
Later.
Alright guys, we tried our absolute best. Sorry for everybody that didn't get a ride along. We're like understaffed and they weren't going as fast as they said they were going to. So we signed up for more people than we should have. That's okay. Yeah. Thanks so much. Of course. This is the director of Fuel Fest, so
what's up?
The man himself. Dude.
There was non-stop action all day long.
I didn't even get to go up to the stage. I was stuck here and we had like a crowd here and I was like, I don't know what's going on up there, but I'm sure it's sick.
There was a point where I was on stage and I couldn't even see where the drift course started because of how many people were just at the front. When Vin jumped on stage and Tyrese jumped on stage and Cody jumped on stage, it was the most wild moment we've ever had. In the background you just see the smoke and you hear the cars and oh dude, this was so rad.
I might be spoiling some plans, but Fuel Fest may be coming to Japan next year. If they do, we will be there. If you guys are watching the YouTube channel, I appreciate you. I love you. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Shit's about to get even crazier. I love you all. See you guys in a couple days. Peace.